Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log back into old BeReal account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. If you don't have BeReal application on your mobile device, simply install that from Google Play Store. And once you install the application, you have to open up the application. After you open up, you will get to this interface. So to get started, first of all, you have to enter your phone number. So enter your correct phone number. After that, tap on Send Verification text button. Now you will receive a verification code on your mobile number. Here it is auto-filled in my case. If not, you have to simply type in the number. After that, enter your first name. Then tap on Continue. Now you have to type in your birth date. First of all, enter the date of birth or your month. Then tap on Yes button. Now you have to create a username and you can change this later as well. If that's available, then tap on Continue. And after that, you will be logged back into your BeReal account. And that's how you can simply log back into old BeReal account. Hopefully this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.